Hi, this is Sean Hyman from mywealth.com, and I want to go over today's blog post. Nothing hotter out there this morning than the non-farm payroll report. And I tell you, it was staggering. Unemployment rate jumped from 7.6% all the way up to 8.1% in just 1 month's time. It's huge, enormous. Jobs lost, over 651,000 jobs were lost. A huge increase there over previous month. You know, right now we've got 1 in 8 homes in foreclosure or they're late on their payments. This is enormous. Addition to this, you know, you've got 103,000 bankruptcies in the month of February just alone. You got all this piling up, I mean, just really dogging the stock market, you know, hurting 401ks, hurting IRAs, hurting stock brokerage's account, you know, cutting them in half. And I mean, when I look at all this, I really feel for the American worker out there that's working so hard, trying to build a future for themselves, trying to build a retirement, and they're seeing all this happen to their, you know, portfolios. You know, what's going to be the turning point? You know, when are we going to see something change here? And even more accurate than NFP, which lags 1 month behind in showing you what's going on, is the initial jobless claims numbers. These come out on a weekly basis, and until those spike parabolically and turn around and head south fairly quickly, I don't think you'll see the beginning of a recovery until that happens. And I provided a chart there for you on the site so you can get a visual. This happened right before 2001 the last time. And again, it's a big, long recovery process. You can see, you know, jobless claims still remain relatively high and didn't start tapering off for even, you know, up to a year later. So why wait? Why suffer through more and more downturns? Why not get something in your portfolio that's going to help you today, that'll help you now, that's something that's going up now, something that's working now, something that's stable now, because we're sure not seeing it in commodities, we're not seeing it in stocks, not U.S. stocks, not global stocks. We're not seeing it in hardly any other market. Where do we see this at? We see stuff happening in the currency market. It's what's going up now. I mean, there's pairs like dollar-yen, USD/JPY, that has broken not only a downtrend but a sideways range and headed decisively higher recently. It's one of the few financial instruments in the world that's done that right now. Aussie yen and Euro yen and others have broken their downtrend lines and stabilized. So where a lot of markets have gone into fresh new lows, these currency pairs have stabilized and look to be poised to possibly head higher in the coming weeks to months. And that's why I encourage you. Take some steps towards doing something about your future. Don't sit and wait on the government. Hopefully the government will eventually get this stuff turned around, and that's fine if they do. But do something now about your future. Don't depend upon the government. Let's be proactive and do something about it today. Because my heart hurts for these, you know, Americans out there that are seeing all this stuff dwindle away. So I want to empower them and show them what to do. Get you a real-time demo account. It's free. I've got the link on there where you can click on to get it. It's going to have real-time quotes, real-time charts, where you can pull these things up and see that I'm not blowing smoke, to where you can look for yourself, do your own analysis, and see these are things that are stable now, some of which are even heading up now. And this is something that you can do to help protect your portfolio today. And then secondly, get an education. Click on there. Spend $20. It'll be the best $20 you ever spent. Plus, it comes with a money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied. But spend $20 on an online course, take in the convenience of your own home or workplace, and learn so much about this market that can help you now. And I think that's the key is people need help in their finances and investments now, today, not 6 months from now or a year from now. This number, unfortunately, with unemployment rate, unfortunately, is probably going to go even higher. This foreclosure rate is probably going to go even higher. So people need to do something proactively now, today, to get things turned around. This is where I really feel that the education will come in. You know, I watch TV sometimes and I see these divers swim with sharks. And I think these guys are idiots. Why would they do that? But then I take a step back and I think, from my perspective, they're idiots because I'm uneducated about sharks. And when they're down there swimming around, they're giving you commentary saying, oh, well, this one's fine, and this one's checking me out, and oh, this one I'm starting to agitate him, and so I better move over out of his way. And I mean, they can read these sharks because they're educated in them and know how to literally swim amongst sharks. Well, I would get down there and get eaten alive because I'm uneducated in it. And that's exactly what a lot of people do in all financial markets, not just currencies, but in stocks, commodities, you name it. So, you know, spend $20 and save hundreds, save thousands in real-life mistakes by getting educated and learn about something that can help you now, something that can help you today. This is Sean Hyman from MyWealth.com. Thanks for being with us.